the hell? Oh my god! Oh my god.
Wow. Gonna be my personality for the rest of my life.
It's giving bougie as hell. It's giving mind your business. It's giving it's my money. It's giving I ain't got no kids.
Okay, when I say you need to run, not walk to get this product, you need to run, not walk. So I saw this on TikTok, okay, and it's the Tattoo Brow, and I saw someone using it as a lip liner. Now, mind you, I came home late last night, and this had arrived from Amazon, and I was so excited that I put it on before I went to sleep. And it's still on. Let's try it out, and I will show you guys what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest. I really am not the best at lining my lips, and this is semi-permanent, if you will. And so let's be a little precise. Maybe I should stop talking and do it. So a method that I have learned that really works is not going like this. It's going like this and like... Look how precise that is. Okay. Okay, and I think you just let it sit for a good minute, okay? And we'll be back and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I zoomed in so we can get really up close and personal and you guys can really see it. Okay, so you peel it off. And then I'm gonna just do gloss on top. Let's see. Hold up. You need it. You need to be good at putting it on because I'm not very precise, but you need it.
So much stuff, so we're gonna do an Amazon haul. The smallest one first. My scissors are in my washing machine, so I'm gonna use a knife and hope I don't cut myself. Yes! I got this in black and cream and I loved it, so I got it in gray because it's amazing. Here it is in the cream. So freaking cute. Like I said, I have it in black too, and I am obsessed with them. Okay, package number 2. This one's kind of full, so I hope I don't like cut myself or whatever is in here. have no idea what this is. Ow! Son of a... Apparently, I got a red sweater. It's like a zip down. I do not remember ordering this, so try on haul later. So I opened this one and then I realized I showed the camera my address, so you had to redo it. No idea what this is. 1 second. Yes! It's like those cute straws that I see all over TikTok. I got them like 2 months ago and I forgot about it. And I got like a bunch of them. So I'll show all the colors later because I'm starting to run out of time. Okay, next passage. We gotta go quick because I'm running out of time here. Woo! Yes! I literally got this for like $7 and it's normally $40 because it was on sale. I have it in the brown and I love it because it's so freaking comfy. This one is huge. I have no idea what on God's green earth I purchased that was this big. Oh, there's a lot. Like a lot. Okay, this is the best one yet. I got this black sweater. I'm gonna go quick because I'm running out of time. I got, look how cute that is, this gray one. And then I got this like super chunky green knit sweater. How cute is that? Okay, here's the last thing because I'm running out of time.
This acrylic cutting board is non-porous, so it doesn't stain or harbor odors and grime when meal prepping. It's super easy to keep clean, really durable, and blends into your counters. And this silicone splatter guard attaches to the top of your microwave, and the moisture lock knob perfectly steams food or makes leftovers more moist. It has 4 collapsible heights, has a built-in hot pad, and is dishwasher safe.
Oh my god! You want to buy one? Yes, yes! Just shut up and take my money!
Amazon Kitchen Hacks. This is a turntable.
Like for DJs?
No, for things in the fridge and like really anything else. It's helped us maximize the space in our fridge, and it's perfect for organizing little things that don't have a very good place. Wow. These are my cheese and butter huggers that are made to create an airtight seal around them so you can just use a little at a time and then store them properly.
Oh my gosh.
This is my organizer for saran wrap and tinfoil. It's easily customizable and looks better than just throwing them in there and hoping they stay.
Amazon Find. Look at this, so cute. Amazon Find. It has the little horns. Go get it.
Okay, if you're asking if it was a necessary purchase, I don't really have an answer for you, buddy. But if you're asking if I think everybody on this planet just needs one of them,
minis from Amazon, they keep in
answer's
your
a little
purse
obvious.
Don't lie, we have all been in this situation in a public restroom. These flushable toilet seat covers are going to save you if you're ever in an emergency. You get 100 of them and they come in smaller packs of 10 that go right in your bag.
Massive Amazon unboxing, so let's do it. This video is just going to be the unboxing portion, and then I'm going to film the try-on portion in tomorrow's video. Because I have a lot to show you guys. It's probably going to be in multiple parts. Hold on, I gotta get some scissors. Alright, I decided I wanted to sit down because my stomach hurts. I just smashed some Culvers and it's not sitting well. It's not sitting well. It's making my stomach hurt. Anyway, first things first, I got this cute little puffer. I've never been like a puffer girly, but I saw like this one girl on TikTok where she was wearing like puffer and like these cute little like Ugg dupes and like the sweater underneath, and it looked so cute that I was like, all right, let's get one. So I got this one from Amazon. I think I got a size extra large. Yeah, I got an extra large, but it's cute, it's white, and it was super affordable. I wanted the black one originally, but of course that one took like 2 months to get here. So hopefully, like, I don't know, it comes back in stock and I can actually get it. All right, next thing, I got this cute little lounge set. Most of this stuff is lounge items. I think like 99.9% of it is. But it's like a little Free People dupe. I have this in like an orange color and a gray color, but I got this one from a different seller. And the image looked different. So we'll see if it looks more like the Free People one or not. I'm super excited for it because it looked so freaking cute on the model. So I hope it looks that cute in real life. And all of the reviews said that it was like plenty long enough for tall girls. So I'm hoping that that is the case. But it's just this cute little like, you're definitely gonna hear Tinsley over there. It's this cute little like knit pants and then the sweater, and it's in this cute little blue color. Love it. So hopefully it is long enough. Like hopefully the reviews didn't steer me wrong. I'm feeling off. Like I said, I'm just not really feeling very good. And I feel like it's been a minute since I've actually filmed. I feel like it's been a hot minute. So I'm feeling off. I'm acting off, that is it. Okay, I apologize. All right, so then I got this sweater. I have this in like 3 colors. It's a perfect Free People dupe, and it is literally so cute. I don't know if you can tell, but on camera it looks more like burgundy, but it's actually more of like a rust color. So cute. I love, love, love this sweater. It's one of my favorite Amazon purchases of all time. It is so good. I want every single color. A 3-pack of iPhone chargers. I have been using them and they're so good.
Amazon cart favorites. This waterproof and leak-proof trash can be placed in a few different places and collapses when not in use.
Okay, these might be 2 of my favorite kitchen gadgets of all time. First up is this apple slicer and corer, but it's not just like any other apple slicer. This one actually slices double the amount of apples as a typical slicer. And they're thinner in size, which I love because I'm constantly giving them to my toddler who has an easier time with the thinner size. And next up, this gadget is the best and easiest way to slice pineapple, hands down. You simply cut off the stem of the pineapple and then twist the device through the center, and it peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple into perfectly shaped rings in seconds. Don't forget to save this for later and follow for more finds.